Hello，咁啊，上一段片都講完呢個否定副詞嘅 not 嘅倒裝句嘅用法啦，咁同埋亦都講咗 not only 嘅一啲你哋常見嘅錯誤啦。咁今一段片咧就想講咧，其實 if 嘅句子咧都可以倒裝去令佢變得更加之正式嘅。咁有陣時你用條件句啦，if 嘅啲句子嗰陣時啊，你想聽落更加之正式、更加之有文采啲嘅話咧，我哋可以省略咗個 if 啦，然之後用倒裝句去表達嘅。咁啊，第一個例子啦，譬如你可能正常語句，你可能話 If I had done my homework, I wouldn't have been punished。呢個係呢個 Type Three 嘅，講一啲你後悔緊嘅嘢嘅情況啦，即係由 had 加 PP，然之後 wouldn't 再加 have 再加 PP 咁嘅情況啦。咁倒裝句嘅話咧，你可以話 Had I done my homework，將個 had 嘅助動詞抽出嚟啦，然之後個主語仲要 keep 翻嘅，然之後再加翻個 done 喺度啦。Had I done my homework, I wouldn't have been punished。咁我呢個就會想將個強調擺喺呢個你幾咁後悔啦，即係後悔當初如果你真係有做嘅話咧嘅情況咯。例子二啦，就係話 If you should need any help, please let me know。咁啊，你可以話 Should you need any help, please let me know 啦。咁啊，呢啲句式咧，其實咧喺正式嘅寫作啊、report 啊、proposal 入邊用出嚟咧，係會加分嘅咁樣。咁啊，如果你聽日去作文或者之後去作文嗰陣時候，你寫 report 寫 proposal 啦，你都可以試下用啲咁嘅倒裝咗嘅條件句啦，去講出呢個係去試下去用倒裝咗嘅條件句去講翻呢樣嘢出嚟咯。咁啊，呢啲係要靠你試得多咧，你先至會熟嘅。咁啊，所以我亦都有個練習啦。希望你可以下載咗落嚟啦，然之後試下去完成佢啦，係關於呢啲倒裝句嘅句子嘅練習嚟嘅。OK，咁啊，倒裝句咧就講到呢度啦。咁啊，希望你可以試多啲用倒裝句啦，即係唔好驚，因為會錯而唔用咯。最緊要你肯去試同埋肯去練嘅啫，咁樣。如果有啲咩問題嘅話咧，都歡迎你留言同我講啦。咁我哋下一段片再見，拜拜。